Hello, it's been a while. Lesson 438 from EPS Topic Reviewer. Let's practice answering this fill in the blank. 곡식이나 채소, 과일 나무에 벌레가 생기면 물에 농약을 섞어서 분무기로 빙간. 1. 먹여주세요. 2. 뿌려주세요. 3. 지워주세요. Sa palad-juseyo. So sabi niya, kokshigina. Kokshig is grain or crops. Ina is or. Crops or vegetable. Cheso. Kwail namue. Kwail namu is fruit tree. Polly is insect. Senkida is to appear or to occur. Plus yung yun na if. If may nag-appear daw na insect, sa fruit tree, sa vegetable, or sa crops, mure 농약을. 농약 is pesticide. Mul is water. Sogoso. Yang sok is to mix. I-mix daw yung pesticide sa water. And punmugero. Punmuge is yung sprayer. Yung ro is yan po yung tool. Ibig sabihin yan yung gagamitin mo yung sprayer blank. Ano ba yung ginagamit sa sprayer? Yang il is mugi. Galing yan sa mugi da. To feed. Please feed. Pakainin daw. Yang number 2 is to spray. Please spray. Juseyo is a request. Honorific form. Chiwo juseyo. Yan ay to clean or to clear away. Number 4. Pala juda. Pala juseyo is to apply, spread something on a surface. Dahil ang gamit natin is punmugiro, syempre ang sagot is number 2, poryo juseyo. Kung mayroon daw na mag-appear na insect sa iyong fruit tree, sa iyong vegetable, or sa crops, i-mix mo daw sa water or mag-mix ka daw ng water at pesticide at spray mo gamit yung sprayer. Or please spray using the sprayer. Correct answer is number 2. Bye-bye. Happy learning.